Now to breaking news tonight. We are learning a murder trial that was put on hold earlier today is now being canceled altogether. The defendant has decided he does not want a trial and is willing to plead guilty. I-Team investigator Kylie McGivern first reported on this case 3 years ago. She has the very latest tonight on this case and the unexpected turn of events that happened inside the courtroom today.
First, to recap what brought us to this point. In August 2019, Hillsborough County deputies arrested James Hansen as the main suspect in an armed robbery and then the carjacking, kidnapping, and murder of 68-year-old Matthew Coratill, a father and grandfather. Coratill banked at Center State Bank in Valrico and was there at the time of the robbery. An affidavit from HCSO revealed Hansen strangled Coratill with a belt behind his own church and then got rid of his clothes. As the I-Team revealed, the crime spree happened less than 5 weeks after Hansen was released from prison on what was originally a life sentence for a 2002 bank robbery and later reduced to 20 years. He left prison nearly 3 years early due to credits for good behavior. But in his 16 years, we obtained prison records showing dozens of disciplinary issues, placing Hansen in confinement 28 times. Including one just 6 weeks before his release.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it's sort of an unusual situation, but based on circumstances that are outside of our control, we are going to go ahead and excuse you from jury trial.
3 years later, in the trial on Tuesday, a judge told the jury they were unable to proceed. It was after the prosecution's opening statement that a juror said as she was hearing more about the case, she realized a personal connection. Her child's father had befriended Hansen at a bar days before he was arrested for Coratill's murder. And he had told her about Hansen, and they discussed what he was accused of when the news came out. The juror said she thought Hansen was guilty. The court had already brought in its only alternate for another juror who could no longer be in the trial due to a family emergency.
Kylie, thank you. And again, just moments ago, Hansen no longer wants a jury trial. He is willing to plead guilty. The court is going over his plea right now.